Animation is the art of drawing in time. This film will show some new ways in which a computer can aid in the process. The computer at MIT's Lincoln Laboratory is the TX2. The animator is Lynn Smith, an artist with no previous computer experience. The animation system is called Genesis. Genesis is a computer program which transforms the TX2, a tablet, stylus, and display scope, into an animation medium. Is there a way to make a ball bounce that's simpler than drawing each individual frame? With Genesis, there is. Lynn draws one ball and types its name. Now, using a technique known as drawing a P-curve, she shows Genesis how to move the ball by drawing the desired bounce. And here's the result. Lynn has told Genesis to combine the sketch of a ball with the sketch of a bounce to create a bouncing ball.
So the Lincoln Laboratory Supercomputing Center has been a pioneer in green supercomputing. Our systems are among the only in the world that operate with zero carbon impact. This has been partly due to our incredibly innovative selection of sites on the Connecticut River right next to a 50 megawatt hydroelectric dam, which allows us to draw very inexpensive and environmentally friendly energy directly from the river. So interactive supercomputing at Lincoln Laboratory has had a long and storied tradition, going all the way back to TX0, which eventually became Digital Equipment Corporation, the Genesis system on TX2. And what these technologies pioneered was just the ability to work interactively with a computer at all. We now experience that on a daily basis with our phones and our laptops and our tablets. But for engineers and scientists, there's always been a need to do more. Engineers and scientists push the boundary of what is known, push the boundary of what is possible, and that requires them to be able to analyze larger data sets, do more complicated algorithms. And so the Lincoln Laboratory Supercomputing Center has always been a pioneer in that type of computing, taking what people have in front of them on their desktops and on their tablets and their laptops, and giving them access to computing capability that is interactive, but just vastly more powerful than what they normally can do. Okay. So the Lincoln Laboratory Supercomputing Center is chartered to enable all the missions at Lincoln Laboratory. But there's three areas that have become a real focus recently because of their ability to exploit interactive supercomputing. Those areas are machine learning, autonomous systems, and devices, new device physics, new device simulation.